Okay, so today we have another pair. Yeah, these are like not in my size, but anything in this colorway I see, I just get it. Like whether it's a t-shirt or these. I don't know what these are. Like I got them just for a showpiece, but then they're just sitting here collecting dust. I had these for a couple months now, but I wanted to do it in the last. So after 312 or before the 312s, I'm gonna upload this one. So yep, Air Jordan 1 Mids, white, red, and yeah, size 15. Not in my size, not for a friend, but there is only one item remaining on StockX for this, and I am the one who's selling it right now in this size. So of course, yeah, let me show you. Of course, the Jordan branding, the 23, and all the details down low. See, collecting just dust, just collecting dust. Yep, sorry. So all the information is over here. Yeah, my camera is over here. Yeah, Netherlands and this and that, and over here made in China. Yeah, box made in China. Yep. So recyclable box. So the Jumpman logo, number 23 on the whole sheet, and yep, you guessed it, not in my size, but I had to get these because this is the Air Jordan 1 Mid 2020. This doesn't have a black back, oh, red back, but the ones with black colorway, I don't like them because first, they don't remind me of the original ones. I saw an interview the other day when it was red and black, and NBA rejected them, and Jordan was giving an interview about it, and he hesitated when the interviewer, was it Leno or who, I don't remember, he hesitated that I designed the shoe, not the colorway. So he was not even fond of it. Like you can see his photo circulating around in red and black. And what they said at the end was that why the NBA rejected it? Because that colorway didn't have white in it. And the interviewer just threw the shoe away. So it was a funny story. You can see, I'm not gonna put them on feet, but I'm gonna give you a thorough review. Same as, of course, like it's the Chicago colorway and Air Jordan 1 Mids. You cannot go wrong with this colorway, so that's fine. So that's it. I'm not gonna put them on feet, not my size, not by a long shot. So yeah, going back, and the box is going to close now. Okay, thank you. Do drop a like and subscribe. 85% of you are not subscribed. Bye.